Welcome to the buyer steps to purchasing a home. In step 4, we talked about getting the home under contract, but there are still a few more steps and people involved to help us reach the finish line. So let's talk about step 5. Your offer was accepted, and that's cause for celebration. Now what? Well, as I mentioned in step 1, it's always great to have referrals for just about every trade, and the next professional you'll need is a home inspector and possibly a roofer. An experienced realtor likely has at least a few recommendations they can share with you. You can call and choose one of their recommendations, or it's fine if you have someone else in mind. You're not obligated to use their suggestions. However, it can make a lot of sense to work with someone who's been vetted and trusted to be on the realtor's short list of referrals. So it's not a bad idea to interview them too. And buyers, I cannot emphasize enough, if you can attend the inspection, please do. I personally attend every inspection, and sometimes the buyers can't be there. However, the issues pointed out by the inspector can look much different than in person than they do on paper or in an email. If you find this information valuable, please click like, subscribe, and the notification bell. I mentioned that a roofing contractor may also be involved, and you may be wondering, why is that? Well, while the home inspector knows how to inspect a roof, to identify wear and damage, all they can do is identify and report the findings. When a problem is found, they have to make a recommendation of having a professional roofing contractor inspect, repair, or replace the damage that was found. And the roof is such an important part of any house. You may not have considered this, but getting on just about any contractor's appointment schedule can be difficult, and it can sometimes take days or weeks to get them out to the property. When we're trying to wrap up a transaction in 30 days or less, it can cause major delays. Not only that, typically the problem and the job of scheduling the contractor will then be passed along to the seller using an inspection objection written by you and your realtor. Obviously, this is when you can begin to lose control of your timeline. I'll explain what the inspection objection is and how it works for the buyer on the next video of the series. However, if your realtor knows a trusted roofing company and proactively schedules them during the home inspection, you can maintain control of your timeline and get a more complete picture of the home's condition. If the roof looks good, that's great, nothing to report. But if the roofer finds an issue, you now know you have both the inspector's report and the roofer's report to take to the next step. Step 6, completing the inspection objection, which is the next video of the series. If the Chambers Group can personally help you, there's a link in the description and pinned in the comments. We'd love to be of service.